Hello?
Hey, I'm about to get ready to watch this movie. You want to come over?
I don't know if I want to come over so you could fall asleep again.
Come on now, that was last time. We talking about this time.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, honestly, last time you completely knocked out. I don't know if I want to deal with that again.
Hey, I'm on that full pot of Folgers, so I'm good. I got that movie, Arrows
Oh
in.
my god, I love that movie.
All right, come on over, 8 o'clock. I'll see you then.
Alright, talk to you soon. Bye. Brittany? Guess what? Yes. I know. So
Today I went to my boyfriend's house, expecting to get a little action.
Good Lord, girl, looking good.
Oh, shit.
Oh, man.
Oh, amazing.
You're doing good. What can I get you? Mike's Hard Lemonade?
Mike's Hard Lemonade? Are you kidding me? Do you have whiskey?
Woo-hoo! Go ahead and fix that right now.
And the rocks, please.
I got you.
Rocks,
All right, nice. Can I get you anything else?
Where's your bathroom at?
Down the hallway to the left.
Okay.
I was surprised to find that he had fallen asleep while I was changing into some lingerie.
Shit. Really? Again? You weren't gonna fall asleep, right? Folgers my ass!
With a woman named Dawn, perchance?
Be at the kryptonite.
Spent my night watching television while he snored. Loudly.
Third sign of the apocalypse. Look for the white horse and so.
My life.
Oh, man, I know I didn't fall asleep again.
Of course you did. That's all you ever do, is sleep. And guess what? You missed out on this.